road, respect come first. Even when me silent, yeah, me spirit rehearse. Every little detail, yeah, me hide them alert. But me heart stay clean, never wish nobody hurt. Me love when it neat, when the energy pure. No fake conversation, no nice to endure. If you're real, me real, that a open door. But chaos and disrespect, me can't ignore. So me build me space like a temple inside. Only good vibes and the truth can reside. If you cross that line, me nah run, me nah hide. Me just step away with me dignity and pride. Now fight the world, me just stay in on my line. If it don't feel right, me release and resign. Cause peace over everything. Every time me step in the room, me see chaos everywhere. Tables, them messy colors clash, me can't bear. Pins all mix up, red, blue, green in a war. My mind starts spin, but me not show no scar. Silence broken by a vice, well, loud for no reason. Everybody chilling, but them shout like it's a season. It say easy now, calm me down, feel the vibe. Respect the space, let the peace come alive. If you link me, don't play with me time. 2 hours late, no message cross the line. Me not vex loud, me just step aside. Protect me peace, that me guide. Lion of Somaliland, Wild lion of Somaliland. Late night, calm mind, no nights in a me zone.